Hello students, good afternoon all. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today we learn in science about plants. Today we learn about leaf. So, I am your science teacher from Mahadi School, Mubassira Miss, and we learn about plants today. But before we start our lecture, let's learn one beautiful line. Don't give up. Beginning is always hardest. So, when you start learning, the starting is always hard. So, don't give up and keep trying. What we learn today? So, we learn about part of the plant, and today we learn about leaf. But before we start, let's revise what we learned yesterday. So, we learn about part of the plants. Let's revise it. Root, stems, we learn in lectures before parts of the plant. So let's revise it. Stem, leaf. You can see here I circled the leaf, flowers, fruits, yummy fruits, root is the underground part, and we also learned yesterday about one banyan tree which located in Kabir ward, and the trees grow from roots. Different types of roots, and about stem. Here the picture of stem, how stem grow on ground and how root grow underground. How stem look, thick part of the plant, stem connected with the parts of the plant. You can see here we learned yesterday. That how leaf connected with stem, and different types of stems, thick stem, small stem. You can see here plant of rose, soft stem, how stem help a plant. Stem gives support to the plant. Stem takes food and water to all parts of the plant. Stem connected with every part of the plant. So, today we learn about leaf. Now, let's see what is leaf. You can see here different type of leaf and different shape of leaf. Here I show you the picture of many leaves. You can see here the color of leaf is different and shape of leaf is different. So first we need to learn that how seed growing in plant, which we learn in further lectures. So here we learn about how leaf grow. You can see here one picture. In this picture you see the growth of plant. In first plant there is only seed. In first two plant there is no leaf. Third plant has small leaf, and fourth plant has two leaf. So like that leaves are growing slowly. First they small, then they grow big, like us, living things. That leaves are growing very slowly. So plant is living things, that's why they grow slowly. As we know that we grow plant, we not directly plant a tree. We don't plant a big tree directly. So it is a growth of leaf. So in further picture we see the growth of leaf. Now let's see different types of leaf. Here I show you some leaf which we see everyday life near us. So this is a leaf of Ashoka tree which we use in decorating our house. Here is a leaf of mango tree. Which leaf is that? It is a leaf of banana tree, a big leaf. So you can understand that leaf are in different shape, in different size also. You can see here behind some other leaf which are very thin. You can see here neem tree which also in our school. So the leaf of neem tree. Here another tree leaf. You can see the growth of leaf and how the color of leaf change. First it is purple, then it become green and that yellowish green. You can see. Now what is leaf? Now we learn that what is leaf. So here I tell you that leaf is a green part of the plant and some leaves in different color. You can see in further pictures that some leaves are in different color. We see the pictures of leaf of different color at last of this session. So what is leaf? Leaf is a green part of the plant and some leaves are in different colors which we will see in last at this session. So let's move that when leaf grow, how leaf grow and when leaf grow, let's learn. So first we need to grow plant because we want to grow leaf, so we can't directly grow leaf. Let's start grow plant. So remember how we grow plant. Let's start. So what is the picture of this? It is a seed. So first when we want to grow plant, we start growing with seed. So different types of seeds are available. Now let's start that how leaf grow. First we need seed. You can see here seed which we grow in floor, right? We can grow tree on floor? No. So we need soil. Here you can see soil. Now let's start grow tree. What will give us to tree for grow? Plant need? Yes, water, light and air. So we give water, sunlight and air to plant. So we will give it. Now what's grow? First thing grow from plant. Seeds grow roots. You can see here roots, and roots is also underground part of the plant. You can see here root is connected with stem. So our plant is growing. When we watering the plant start growing. Then what came out? Stem. So when you watering the plant, stem came out. You can see here stem. thick and strong? So it is a small plant. So the stem is small and it is a woody stem. As we learned yesterday, which plant has woody stem? Small and woody stem. We see the picture of rose plant. So it is a stem which grow after roots. Then so here I show you the growth of the plant. So in further pictures we planted a tree. Okay. So first we planted a tree, then we give it water, sun, light and air. Then you can see here how plant is growing. So first when you planted a tree, roots grow, roots help to stem to grow. Then when stem start growing, they grow leaf. You can see here one stem here and one leaf here. So it is a growth of plant. So here you can see 5 picture of plant. It's not 5 plants, it is a one plant which grow like that. You can see here in first picture of plant there is only one leaf. In second picture of the plant is 2 leaf. In third picture you can see 2 leaves but with growth, because in second picture leaves are small and in third picture leaves are little bit big. So it is the growth of plant. In third picture you can see leaves become big. In fourth picture there is a 3 leaves. 2 leaves big and 1 leaves is small. So last picture you can see total growth of the plant, that how plant become big. So when leaf start growing with stem, plant became big. You can see that first picture of the plant is small and last picture of the plant is big. So it is the growth of the plant. So as I told you yesterday that you can't grow directly big tree. You grow small little plant, then it become big tree. So it is a growth of the plant. You can see the arrow which going down to up, that show you the growth of the plant. So how leaf grow you can understand now. Now we learn importance of leaf in plant. So as important stem, as important roots, leaf is very important part of the plant. Now let's see how leaf is important for plant. Yes, leaf make food for plant with the help of sunlight. As we know that all living things need food for eat and for grow healthy. Like that, leaf is also grow and make food for plant, because plant is a living thing. So leaf make food for plant with help of sunlight. Now let's see how plant start making food. Here is a plant, you can see here. Now I give water to the plant, then I give sunlight to the plant. Now on surface of leaf, sunlight and water and air are together and make food for plant with use of nutrients which stem carry to leaf. So leaf is a place where sunlight, air, water and nutrients binding together and make a food for plant. So This food make a flower in plant also and make a food for plant also. So when these nutrients and all these things became together, the plant start growing healthy. So this is the picture which show you that how leaf make a food for plant. So because leaf make food for plant, leaf known as kitchen of the plant. So these three things plant need to make food: air, water and sunlight. And leaf binding these things together and make food for plant. You can see here how leaf make food for plant. Now here is a picture how leaf make a food for plant and give oxygen to us. You can see roots carry the water and minerals to stem and stem give it to leaf. Then sunlight fell on leaf and these all things together make food for plant, and leaf obtain carbon dioxide from atmosphere and give us oxygen. As we learn in first lesson that living things need oxygen for breathing. So this very important and very useful thing for living things, which oxygen we get from leaf. So leaf is a very important part of the plant also, and leaf is a very important thing for living thing also, because we get oxygen from plant through leaf. So here you can understand that how tree give us oxygen. And after this process, plant make fruit for us. So it is the important part of the plant which grow food for plant. These all things binding together and leaf make food for plant. So here what picture is that? And where we food cook, you can see here in our home we cook food in kitchen. The picture of kitchen, one lady is making food. So like that plant get food from leaf. So leaf is a place where plant cook food. That's why leaf is known as kitchen of the plant. You can see here picture, one lady is cooking food. Like that leaf is cooking food on its surface. That's why leaf known as kitchen of the plant. You can see here the sunlight on leaf and get water from stem and air from atmosphere and making food for plant. That's why leaf is a kitchen of the plant. So now what is important of leaves in plant? So leaf provide food and air to help plant stay healthy and grow. Now just imagine if there is no leaves on plant, what happen with plant? Plant become dry. Why? Because leaf is making food for plant with help of sunlight, air and water. So food and air which provide by leaves, then plant start growing healthy. So it is an important part of the leaves. And one more thing, that plant breathing through leaf. Now how it's possible? Because leaves has small pores on surface. of leaf. So that's why plant take breathe in and breathe out through that pores. So leaf is also nose of the plant which breathing through it. So leaf is very important part of the plant like living things. We breathe by nose like that. Plant breathe by leaves. Leaves also release excess water much like we sweat. So if you watering plant and you give more water than they need, then leaves release this water. So that's why leaves are very important part of the plant. So this is the work of leaves which plant get. Now what we learn today? We learn about leaf, how leaf help plant, in which color leaf, what is work of leaf. All these things we learn in this lecture. So now let's see some different color of leaf. Leaves come in many shapes and size and help green plant to make food. You can see here that leaves make food for green plant. Let's see some different color of leaves. Here is the leaves which colored in purple, red and yellow. You can see here many colors in one leaf. Purple and green leaves. Yellowish green leaves. Purple leaves. These are some examples of different color leaves. Let's revise what we learned today. We learned that how leaves grow, different types of leaf, Asoka tree leaves, mango tree, banana tree, neem tree, another one 3-color leaf. We learn about what is leaf, the green color part of the plant which make food and also available in different color. When leaf grow, we grow one plant from seed. The seed, then we give it water, sunlight and air. Then roots start growing. You can see here underground part of the plant. Stems start growing. Then the growth of plant which show us how leaves start growing. Importance of leaf in plant. That leaf make food for plant with the help of sunlight. How? One picture, we watering it and we give it sunlight. Then these 3 things make food for plant. And how we get oxygen from leaf? The kitchen of our house, like that. When we cook food in kitchen, like that, leaf make food for plant. That's why leaf known as kitchen of the plant. With the help of sunlight, air and water. Importance of leaves in plant, that they help to plant healthy and grow. Through the pores of leaf, plant breathe, and leaves also release excess water which harmful to plant. So today we learn all these things. I hope you all enjoyed my lecture and we will meet in next lecture. see one story of a boy. In this story, you see how plant prepare a food. Now one boy is see things through magnifying glass. You can see here that he watching little ant. This glass is used for see little things. Now he see one leaf standing there. Is that a leaf? No. It is a caterpillar. So every green color thing near plant are not leaf. So caterpillar go out from there. Now the leaf of the plant making food, you can see. Now let's see how plant make food. There are two flowers are standing there and making noise. So flowers say to boy, "Hey, come with me." Then boy is going with them. But the boy is big. So he become little now. Flower show to boy that it is our house. Plant. So plant prepare their food by this process, photosynthesis, which we learn today. So now these all things we learn that plants need sunlight, air, plants take carbon dioxide in air and need water from soil. You can see here how plant take water. Underground part is root and on ground part is stem. We all know that. So here leaf. Now let's see what leaf doing. These pores are on leaf, from which plant breathe. Like we all breathing through our nose, like that plant breathe through that pores. These all things for your knowledge. Now you can see carbon dioxide or air plus water and sunlight. They make food for plant. And now plant grow and give us oxygen. So plant take carbon dioxide in breathing and give oxygen to us for breathing. You can see here how oxygen came out. Glucose give nourishment to the plant. The extra glucose produced is stored by the plant in the form of starch for later use. Like we store food at our house for next day or next week. So it is the process of plant for making their own food. with use of carbon dioxide means air and water and sunlight. So now boy go back to his home and say bye to you.